A La Maison de Provence, hand, and body bar soap, coconut cream, 8.8 ounces, 250 grams. Product overview description. Traditional French milled with shea butter and argan oil not tested on animals. What makes our A La Maison, just like home in French, so uniquely different from other bar soaps? Our traditional recipe dates back to 1828 in France when Marseille soap masters developed the famous French milled process, resulting into a rich, smooth, lathering, softer bar soap. Traditional French milled. For hand and body. Long-lasting and lathering. No SLS, parabens or phthalates. Cruelty-free, biodegradable. Other ingredients. Saponified palm oil, vegetable glycerin, sodium gluconate, shea butter, argan oil, mineral pigments and/or clay, fragrance blend with plant extracts and/or essential oils. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.